Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to achieve this look right here. So if you all want to see how to get it, then keep watching. But anyway, let's jump right in.
Hold tight, we're gonna let go. All night dancing is our goal. So right, I wanna see you throw it down, pick up the crowd. Those lights blind me, I'm floating so high, no one can touch me. I'm fixed to the rhythm, throw it down, I won the crown. Ooh, I'm winning, I won't hold back. Not stop until I'm the best. Nothing to lose. I'm gonna put my heart into you. Move with me, I'll show you too. Floor is yours, step up to the tune. Baby, we can win this for us. I know we're going right to the top. Move with me, I'll show you how. Floor is yours, reach out to the crowd. Take me by the hand and let's ride. Coming more alive through the night. Playing by the rules, but I'll fight for the crown. I want it now. I can feel it to touch. Nothing gonna stand in my way. Ready, put your bets on the line. Throw it down. I want the crown. Baby, nothing to lose. I'm gonna put my heart into you. Move with me, I'll show you too. Floor is yours, step up to the tune. Baby, we can win this for us. I know we're going right to the top. Move with me, I'll show you how. Floor is yours, reach out to the crowd. Be your feet, move them to the beat. And just watch me stop it now till you reach your goal. Do you believe I'm never gonna give up? We're close. Let it go inside. Watch me now. I'll take back the crown. Take back the crown.
Alrighty everyone, this is your completed, final, finished product. And I hope you all enjoyed this look. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more looks that I have to create. Bye everyone.